California, ain't there? Or what is it, 55? The Black Canyon of the Colorado. That's what it's called. If you see me looking at the map and pointing toward shore real close, let me know. Whole bunch of places out there man's never walked and never will walk. So we should be going around this corner here. This is a pretty fucking major corner here. We're still moving at a nice clip too. Whoa, there's a big one. Hell, that's probably 30 feet down right there. Well, if we go around this corner here, I'm trying to figure out, maybe somebody took off or it got knocked down or something happened to the 55.